Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Diablo Yo-Yo. First, hold one handstick in each hand, keeping your grip firm but relaxed. Next, place the Diablo in the middle of the string, making sure it can spin without obstruction. To start, gently swing the Diablo back and forth to create a small amount of initial momentum. This foundational step is crucial for all subsequent maneuvers and helps you get a feel for the toy. Remember to stay relaxed and focused. Now, let's generate some serious spin. Use your dominant hand to make consistent up and down motions, which will rapidly increase the Diablo's speed. It's vital to keep the string taut throughout this process. A loose string means a loss of control, and the Diablo might drop. Focus on achieving a steady, fast spin. This mastery of basic rotation is the cornerstone for executing any trick, so take your time here. Once your Diablo is spinning quickly, you're ready for a classic trick, the elevator. Begin by crossing your handsticks, creating a small loop. Then, slowly lift one handstick, and you'll see the Diablo gracefully climb up the string, as if on an elevator. To bring it back down, simply and gently lower that same handstick. This trick demonstrates excellent control and is a fantastic way to impress your friends with your newfound skills. To truly master the Diablo, consistent practice is key. Dedicate at least 15 minutes each day, and you'll notice rapid improvement in your coordination and trick execution. Don't be afraid to experiment with various string lengths. A shorter string might offer more control, while a longer one allows for bigger movements. Explore online tutorials and join Diablo communities to discover an endless array of new and exciting tricks to add to your repertoire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.